Hello! Today I'm going to show you a recipe of a typical Spanish dish, the Spanish omelette. This dish is very popular around Spain and it's quite normal to see people eating it at any time of the day. This video will help you to prepare your English speaking exam and even your writing exam, because a recipe is a recurrent topic. Let's start with all the ingredients that we'll need to elaborate this delicious dish for 5 or 6 people. We'll need 6 eggs, 5 or 6 medium potatoes, an onion, 3 cups of olive oil and salt to taste. The first step is to peel the potatoes and the onion and rinse them. After that, we have to cut the potatoes in slices, not to think, okay? We don't want that the potatoes crumble too much while cooking. Peel and chop the onion and season with salt. Crack the eggs in a bowl and season with salt as well. Don't forget to beat the eggs. Heat the oil in a frying pan and when it's hot, add the potatoes and the onion and cook until they tender. When the potatoes and the onion are tender enough, have you noticed the difference? Let's go to see them again. When the potatoes and the onion are tender enough, drain the oil and combine them with the eggs in the bowl. And then transfer the mixture into a hot frying pan. Turn the omelette after 3 or 4 minutes. When it's golden, transfer into a plate and serve. There's no doubt that it's the most commonly served dish in Spain. Enjoy your meal!